In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new page on Fandom Wiki. Creating new pages is one of the most important parts of contributing to a fandom wiki. Whether you're adding information about a character, location, game feature, episode, or any other topic relevant to a community, creating a well-organized page helps expand the wiki and makes information easier for other users to find. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a new page on a fandom wiki from start to finish. To begin, sign in to your fandom account. Make sure you're logged in before continuing, since creating and editing pages typically requires an active account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before you can contribute to a wiki. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific fandom wiki where you want to create your new page. Every wiki has its own community and content structure, so it's important to make sure you're working within the correct wiki before adding new information. After arriving at the desired wiki, look for the Add New Page option. This is commonly located among the page shortcuts near the top right area of the site. Depending on the layout used by that particular wiki, the option may appear directly on the page or within an additional menu. If you don't see it immediately, check for a menu represented by 3 vertical dots or a drop-down menu that contains additional page actions. Open that menu and locate the option for creating a new page. When you select Add New Page, a dialog box will appear asking you to enter a page title. Carefully type the name of the page you want to create. This title will become part of the page's web address and will help other users find the content later. As you enter the title, Fandom may display suggestions for existing pages with similar names. Take a moment to review these suggestions to ensure that the page doesn't already exist and to avoid creating duplicate content. Once you've entered the page name, continue to the editor. Here, you can begin adding your content using either the visual editor or the source editor depending on your preference and the tools available within that wiki. After you've finished writing and reviewing your content, select Publish to make the page visible to the community. Once published, your new page will become part of the wiki and available for others to read and contribute to. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.